Well, good morning. I am happy as Larry this morning. Coffee latte. Guess what's happening this morning? Guess where I am going? Finally, after 2 weeks, I'm going to pick up my brand new motorbike, and it is a Honda 160, Honda Click 160. The 125, I drove that for about a week. That was great, and I thought I'll go upscale a little bit. Honda Click 160, about 157 cc, and it's got USB, so you can just charge your phone as you go. I'm going to go there on the boat, actually, somehow. I'm working it out. Finally I'll have the freedom to cruise around Bangkok and see what's around here. So this is like a little bus stop, but in a boat. So today the journey to get to this place was about 30 k's, so I decided don't get a taxi, waste money and just sit there in a taxi in traffic. Go a little bit different, so just going on the boat, just go on the bus. Yeah, it was comfortable. Everything's good. Sometimes I think you can see the city a little bit more when you do that, so that was quite good, and I'm really excited about getting this motorbike. I can't wait. It's 4 valves, so what they say is that it's really efficient for fuel, so we'll see about that, but I heard it's getting over 50 k's per litre, so that's pretty good. It just feels great being able to, thinking about I'm going to be able to just ride around wherever I want, not limited, be able to start going to places all over Bangkok and maybe even some provinces close by, who knows, very soon. No. Look at that smile. What do we got here? Honda baby. All right, so let's go in and let's check out this bike. Wow, check that out. That is my baby. Look at that. 0 kilometers. Brand new, baby. Looking good. Looking forward. Let's go for a ride. Yeah, baby! Loving it! Woo! There you go, good. So for any of you guys who want to see how I'm actually setting up to show you some footage on the motorbike, here it is. GoPro chesty, or chest mount. So GoPro chesty they call it, and yeah, it's just a harness. I just lock it in here and pretty firm. Hopefully a great pick. I think I need a little bit longer one of these though, because I can't really tighten that up enough. So I've seen it online that there's longer ones. So this is how I do it. Looking good. Now I don't know how good this sound's going to be when I'm riding. I really have to get that microphone. I've struggled to find one around the shops that was just one directional. So let's see how we go. My new bike. I'm loving it. Oh, we need to get some fuel. And new phone holder. It's all working out. Now what you're going to see is the most crazy, incredible, I call it warfare. I call this warfare. We're about to go into warfare on the roads of Bangkok. Let's go. There's nothing like this I've ever seen in my life. Sawadee Krap. The war has begun. All right, here we go. That's nothing. It's all going about to start now. Here we go. Lord, protect me. One thing I notice about the Bangkok streets is there's very little room. Unfortunately, there's no motorbike lane, and much of it is very tight. You gotta be really careful. I'm just sucking up the exhaust of this bus right now. It's not nice. Oh man, wow. That is horrible. I think I'm going to do a training video on how to ride in Asia on a motorbike, because it is dangerous. You really got to know what you're doing. There's a few simple rules. Do not go out of your line. Stay on your line. Don't do anything erratic. Traffic so far so good. What are we, 9:31 a.m. See the cars from the side, they will come out, but they'll do it in a slow way, but they will come out. It's not like in the West or back in Australia where they'll stop and they'll wait. They'll slowly edge out. So I find the left lane's fine, but when I see them I like to get over on the right. See that? Alright, so we're going to probably start to see some traffic up ahead here. Using your mirrors all the time, very critical, and I'm making sure always that my eyes are not just focused on any one particular thing. I pretty much keep myself in a constant state of basically almost like a blurred stare, where I'm using my peripheral vision all the time. So I'm trying not to watch any one thing in particular. Alright, so this is tight. So take it slowly. You can always go faster. It's better to stay slow. Sometimes when I'm going really slow, I'll also use the brake to help me to stabilize. Obviously on a motorbike, the slower you go, the more you start to lose your balance. See that, how those bikes just come up left and right of you, you don't even know. So you want to, I just imagine as though there's a almost a yellow golden path that's the same width as my bike in front of me, and I try and stay within that width and not do anything erratic outside that. You can brake, you can accelerate, but you know, if you're going to change lanes or anything, you need to have a clear look in the mirror and then head check that. See this guy ahead? You want to watch this one. Alright, I indicated to get into that right lane then, but just slowly. Back home we can do more erratic moves, but not here. You've got to keep in that line. I've had some motorbikes pass me at 3 times the speed I'm doing. I couldn't even hear them until they passed me, and just scares the life out of you. There we go, see that? They'll normally turn in, they're not going to come out, but just want to watch it. Cannot stress how important that peripheral vision is, just keeping your eyes slightly blurred. And I don't even know if that's the correct way to say it, but it's almost like my eyes are just constantly not focused on any one particular thing. I'm using all my senses. Alright, so I'm looking in the mirror now. There's motorbikes all coming up the middle lane, so I can't get out of this until they go. Go. It's road warfare at its best, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm loving it, but please be careful. And one of the best ways is to keep your speed level sort of with the car in front, and you're reading that until you're ready to either move into the next lane. Just keeping it steady. Oh, I need to go left here. Head check, indicating. Alright, that's good. Accelerator is one of your biggest weapons for safety. Bit of an offense is your best defense type method. The traffic is good, I'm very impressed. So when I've got my speed up, I can obviously change and be a little bit more erratic, but you still need to be careful just in case there's another motorbike coming at high speed. Like there's a guy coming up on my left-hand side. Just want to watch it. Let's go in this right lane here. Motorbike's running like a dream. Alright, we're going right across 2 lanes. You can do that head check and a big indicator. Now just back it off and keep it nice and steady. I love these little risers. Woohoo! Ah, it's actually nice. It's probably about 25 degrees. There's a little bit of coolness in the air. I mean, it's not cold, it's hot. Maybe it's 26, 27, but feeling good. All right, let's get in the pit lane, in the, what do you call it? Not pit lane. On the grid. I like to refer to this as on the grid. We're about to take off, have a race. Oh, you can see the timer up there. Go early. Here we go. Spelt it all. Let's go. Let's go, baby! When in Rome, do as the Romans do. When in Bangkok, drive like them. Always being careful though, never be cocky. Safety is your number one priority, but when you do those lane changes, it's better to do it with speed because then you're pulling out ahead rather than someone coming up behind quickly. Let's see if we can make it around here. Be careful though, indicate. And hold your line, don't cut in too early, just hold your line. See this? Hold the line. I didn't change my line, I kept on the exact same line on the arc. So just keep on head checking, looking, clearing, making sure the lane's clear. There's no rush, you know. I could go a lot faster and weave through all this, but it's too dangerous. Okay, here we go. Now just slow down here. All you got to do is slow down. Don't panic. Stay in your lane. See that? In Asia, they'll work it out. Best thing you do, if you go quickly into that left lane, maybe you cause a crash. Just remember that you can always slow down and just stay in that lane. Stay in that little zone, in that little golden zone. I'll rip this guy through. Oh, it feels beautiful today. The rain from yesterday has just cooled it down from 35, sort of 34 to must be 27 now. It feels beautiful. Just lovely. Lovely doubly. Lovely doubly lovely. Alright, we made it finally for fuel because we just about ran out. Oh, that's a relief to get some fuel in the bike because that was on fumes. No doubt about it. Okay, so we made it, big drive, and gonna go in now and check for some packaging. So let's see what we can come up with. Okay.
คือกล่องนึงต้องการใส่2ชิ้นอย่างเงี้ยเหรอคะแค่2ชิ้นอ่ะใช่ก็จะเป็นส่วนใหญ่ก็จะเป็นทรงนั้นนะคะแต่ว่าเขาจะทำเป็นขนาดเล็กลงแล้วก็มีอินเสิร์ตถึงนิยมทำแยกของมีรูนผ้าก็โอเคแต่ไม่สวย
She said this one also can mix, but it will cost a little.
OPP, this is some...
She said you.
Okay, so had a good meeting. I think we've worked out some things. Lovely ladies helped us, very smart. Got the boxes. So we're going to take them away, do some more mock-ups. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Kapun ka?
My name Meow. Yes, my name Meow.
Meow?
Meow, like the sound of cat.
Oh, meow.
Yeah.
Meow.
Okay,
Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you.
Okay. And good work to you, Pimmy.
Thank you.
Good effort. Well, I finally got back and gonna have a little bit of lunch here. So I got this. This is shrimp wonton with braised pork and spare ribs. Looks pretty yummy with a little bit of soup, some little sauce, and a nice little Coke. Pimmy, what did you get?
I have the biggest.
The biggest. What is
called?
it? Just
Egg noodle with special topping.
special toppings. You
Roast
always-
pork, duck,
Yeah.
and same as you.
Delish. I'm hungry and I'm gonna eat. These wontons are unbelievably good. Look at this. I've got a little bit of chili paste, a little bit of, if I can pick it up, look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. Magnifico. Oh wow. I gotta go and eat this. It's too good. Beautiful day here in Bangkok. Sun is out. Shining. Feel good. Got the new MacBook on the back here. Doesn't fit under the seat unfortunately. But feeling good. Rectified the problem with the glasses. I got rid of the other ones. So it's all good. Just giving the motorbike a bit of a hose off. So today continuing on, just preparing all the stuff I need to do. The visa, longer term visas are an issue. There's no doubt about that. That's fairly tricky, I think. So, you know, the options are that I can leave for a short period and then come back in and do the 30 days or whatever, but that's pretty hectic and it doesn't give you much, you know, sense of sort of calm when it comes to the visa. So I don't really like that idea if it's going to be consistent. Anyway, I think I'm losing some mud on there, which is good. It's nice to see the blue sky. Rained for a few days here, so all good. Good job. Looks like the guys are doing a great job. Semi-sparkling. Wow. I think they've done a fantastic job. 120 bahts is about $5, and they went over the whole bike, so you can't go wrong with that. Let's have a look. So this is my bike that I ended up with, and it is gorgeous. So Honda Click 160, little bit more powerful than the 125, probably about another 20% or something. So got a much better high range. Really feels good on the freeway. And no problem sitting on 100 kilometers an hour. A little bit extra power when you're carrying a passenger. Front disc brakes, I didn't go for the option with the ABS. It was another 10,000. I'm a pretty experienced rider, so I thought I don't need to spend the extra money. And you shouldn't be locking up the brakes on a motorbike going that quick anyway. So I'm really loving it. It's going really well. Good storage inside. Here's the storage, so you can put another helmet in there, no problem. There's your fuel tank. And I've had fitted nice little phone holder. So and also inside here, the Click actually has, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a USB, so I can charge my phone if need be. So great little bike. We'll have a number plate very soon. And she's beautiful, I'm loving it. So let's keep going, and finally got the bike. Couldn't be more happier with that.